Karina, take a look at this. This is Morro Bay just a little bit earlier. Wow. We didn't make it out of the 50s in Morro Bay today. But again, local weather defies a simple adjective. Some areas were hot. Take a look at the high resolution satellite. We talked about the marine layer reforming today and having an impact. We're going to see it over the next couple of days before a big shift in the weather pattern for the weekend. So again, Pismo Beach, 62, Morro Bay, 57. You could say that's pretty cool weather, but Paso Robles made it to 96. We're talking about 100 plus for the weekend. I think the only question for the weekend is how much into the hundreds do we get? Do we get to 105, 107? We'll talk about that more in a second. But elsewhere, if you were in the middle, Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo, 70s today. Santa Barbara downtown, nice, 78 at the fire department, 73 in Goleta today. Santa Ynez, just 82. Temperatures running a little cooler in Santa Barbara, a little warmer than yesterday in San Luis Obispo County. And there you can see, still 93 in Paso Robles, while the rest of the area, especially the beaches, have cooled down thanks to some light onshore flow. The big factor, why did we see the marine layer firm up? Because we had quite a bit of change in the wind speed. Definitely down today. And the model showing the marine layer around through the overnight hours, and tomorrow hanging around, but in Apache fashion around the beaches. But coastal valleys ought to clear, interior valleys will clear as well. The thing is, with lighter wind flow in the interior, the temperatures could actually go up while beach and coastal valley temperatures stay fairly flat. Let's take a look at the outlook here. Look at Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Models are suggesting as high as maybe 105 to 107 on Sunday. My official forecast shoots a little bit lower than that for some of our warmest interior valleys, but we'll have to watch that. The beaches will be in the mid 70s for the upcoming weekend. After we get rid of that marine layer, Friday we start that ramp up. And the coastal valleys as well, mid 80s to upper 80s for the weekend. Currently, just some low pressure off to the east. Again, fairly weak overall pressure. We do have a tropical storm south of the Baja. That's Christina. Now, it'll likely become a hurricane. It's not going to threaten Mexico or the U.S., but will generate a bit of southerly swell in the extended forecast for beaches. And there you can see a little rotation just off the South Carolina coastline. There's a 70% chance of tropical storm formation in this area over the next 48 hours. If something forms, it likely pushes up into New England by the end of the week. Watch that area in red there around Phoenix. That is the high pressure ridge that keeps the desert so hot in summer. It is expanding to the west. That's the reason we're going to warm up for the weekend. And in fact, I think there will be so much high pressure, it likely wipes out the marine layer as well. So even beaches, which again will be cool. Today it was cool. Tomorrow will be cool. Will warm for the weekend. So there you go. 77 Santa Maria, 78 Santa Barbara, 81 San Luis, and 97 in Paso Robles. 86 in Solvang and Santa Ynez. In Cuyama, we'll have 94. 98 in California Valley and Shandon. 69 Pismo Beach. 73 Arroyo Grande. 66 for Morro Bay and Cambria. 68 Avila Beach. 100 in San Miguel. And there's your extended forecast. You can see that little bump, especially in Santa Barbara near 90 for the weekend, but really noticeable in Paso Robles, where essentially any day over the next 5, we could hit 100.